Hey guys, it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different. I'm going through the Sephora Give Me More lip collection and letting you guys know if the box is worth it or not. It basically consists of 8 different products, different formulas, different shades. I go through the video, try them on for you guys, let you know the retail price of them, and basically if the box is worth it or not. Also, if you guys haven't already, please show your girls some love and subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more videos like this. And if you guys are interested in learning if the Sephora Give Me More lip collection is worth it or not, then please keep on watching. Guys, today's video is on the Sephora favorites, Give Me More lip. This is what it comes in, this little box. And then when you open the box, it comes like this. The little plastic separating them, that looks good. And it comes with 8 different products. One of them is a lip conditioner, 2 of them are full size, and then it comes with 1 full size lip conditioner. These 2 are the full size, the Fenty Beauty and the Patrick Tall, which are great because I love these products. They're so nice. I already tried them out and they're really good. And you get this full size lip conditioner from Ilia. This is also a $124 value and they're giving it to you for $45, which I think is a definite steal. Like, that's such a good deal. Even if you don't like the products, you get to try 8 different ones for $45. That's really freaking good. Okay, so the first one I'm gonna be going in with is the Fenty Beauty, and this is in the shade Unbutton. This retails for $25 and you get it full size in this kit. Let me just tell you a little bit about it. This is a long-lasting pigment, stay kissably smooth. It's a weightless long wear liquid lipstick with a soft matte finish. So let's go ahead and try her out. This is one of the ones I was mostly excited about. I do like this applicator, very easy to use. It doesn't have a smell to it. I do think it's a very pretty shade. It's more of like a nude, kind of, I would say, kind of an orangey nude. It is a little bit more on the liquid side. It's kind of liquidy, but other than that, I think it's a great color. It's very pretty. It wears very nicely, very comfortable. Only thing is you might have to layer it a little bit because some parts, like, you just probably need to layer it to make it more even. Moving on to the next one, which is Patrick Tall. This is in the shade She's Independent. All my ladies who independent, throw your hands up in the air. Is that how it goes? I don't know. Had his other lipstick before and it was called She's Hard to Get. So I love the way he names his products. I think it's super cute. This is full size. This is called a monochrome moment. She's Independent. And this retails for $24, and it is a lip cream that offers softness and the finish of a traditional lipstick but liquefied into a soft cream. It has hyaluronic filling and soft powder blends, so a satin matte finish with the appearance of natural fullness. Has some softening esters. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. This liquid lipstick is so comfortable. I can feel that it's very hydrating. It's not drying at all. It's a very beautiful shade. I absolutely love this shade on me. It's a nice nude, and yeah, it smells like minty freshness. Yes. I look independent with this shade on, don't I? But anyways, yes, I really like this formula and it's nice. Very hydrating, very juicy. Next on the list is Too Faced. I've actually had this liquid lipstick before and I really like it. The formula is very, very nice for a matte. This is in the shade Sellout. It's also a very beautiful shade. This retails for $22. And let me just give you a little description. A long wearing ultra matte lipstick, power of stain, an intense color of liquid lipstick. Avocado oil moisturizes and smooth lips, hyaluronic filling spheres moisturize and smooth lips, and vitamin E moisturizes and smooth lips. And I definitely agree with that because I've already used it before. This is very, very comfortable. If you have very dry lips, you could still wear this and you'd be totally fine. Yes, it's just as I remember. This is very hydrating on the lips. It feels very nice. It doesn't feel like it's drying out my lips at all for a matte. And yeah, it's a beautiful shade, just as I remember. It's definitely more of a pinky nude. Alright, and the next shade I'm gonna be going in with is from NARS. This is in the shade Tolade? I think that's how you say it. I don't know how to say it. This is NARS lipstick. It's $26. This is a long-lasting lipstick, instant color, instant vibrancy, conditions for a hydrated feel. Has passion fruit seed oil, which helps fills moisturize, and moringa oil preserves the look of vibrancy. All right, so let's go ahead and put her on. Looks like this. It's pretty. Yes, guys, I would say this one is definitely very moisturizing. It feels very good on my lips. It's not a matte, so I feel like it's more of kind of a satin finish, and it feels so good. So I would say these shades right here are the ones that I was talking about that are in between the red shades in the kit and the nude ones. These are definitely the ones that are in between. Other than these, you're having nudes and reds in this kit. Okay, so the next product in the box is the Ilia Lip Conditioner. This retails for $28, which is kind of pricey. This is in the shade Arabian Nights. And let's see what it says. This is a hydrating buildable lip tint that has a wash of color, like a balm, has cocoa butter, sesame oil, and vitamin E. All of this is hydrating and helps to smooth and soften the lips. It does smell good. This feels very, very nice on the lips, very hydrating, feels very comfortable. It does have a little bit of a lip tint, but nothing too vibrant. I would definitely wear this if I was doing a natural look or a no makeup look, or if you have very dry lips, you could do like a lip scrub and then put this on as a moisturizer and just wear it on through the day, just to provide you some hydration. So basically, these ones are the full size that come in the kit. You get the lip conditioner, you get Patrick Ta, and you get the Fenty Beauty. I mean, all of these combined at a regular price are already over the $45. So it's definitely a steal. I mean, these three full size are more expensive than you purchasing the entire kit, and you get 8 different products to try, different formulas, different shades. All right, the next product in the kit is this one from Makeup Forever. This is what she looks like. It looks like a very corally shade. This is in the shade Untamed Fire, and this retails for $23. It's an ultra pigmented satin finish that provides all day color and up to 24 hours of hydration and smoothing lips. It has amino acids and camellia oil for hydration and softens and comforts. Let's go ahead and try her out. This one does smell really good too. It smells like perfume. It feels very good. It feels very hydrating. Definitely like a satin finish, very comfortable on the lips, and I think this color is beautiful. But this is definitely the start of the reds that I was talking about, so next couple ones might seem kind of similar in color, but I'm honestly okay with that because I do like to wear different formulas of reds during the holidays. Okay guys, so this next one is from YSL. This one is the priciest one in the box. It retails for $38, but this is a luxury brand, so it's pretty much expected. Whether or not it performs or not, or if it's a good formula, we'll find out. This is in the shade Rouge, and it's a rich, creamy lipstick that delivers incredible color payoff and feels hydrating and breathable on the lips. This satin lipstick offers up to 6 hours of ultra rich, full coverage lip in just one stroke. And it's supposed to be very moisturizing with intense hydration and antioxidant care. And it leaves your lips smooth for hours. Sweet, sounds good. So let's go ahead and try her on. She's also a kind of a coral red, if you will. She also has a perfume smell. It smells very good. Definitely more of a holiday feel. I like that it has the extra shine as like the finish. Obviously it's not transferable because it's still wet on the lips, but I do think this is a beautiful shade. This is perfect for the holidays. Like I said, compared to the one before, they're kind of similar in shades, just different formulas. But yeah, I mean, you get a luxury lipstick in the kit. I mean, what more could you ask for? And for me, like the minis, they last for a while because I mean, I don't need a lot of product all the time. So for me, I think it would be worth it for sure. But yeah, this is Rouge. Guys, this is the last and final lipstick in the set. This is from Kat Von D. This is in the shade Outlaw. And I believe this is the cheapest item in the set. It is retailed for $21. It's basically saying a long wear, high pigmented liquid lipstick that has a smooth matte finish and an all day lightweight comfort. It is a true matte finish, plus it's packed with natural moisturizers, including vitamin E and sunflower seed wax. So I'm going to go ahead and put Outlaw on. I have tried this formula before and I really do like it. It's very nice. It's not drying at all and it's a pretty matte finish. This is what she looks like. I definitely feel like an outlaw, you know what I'm saying? Dangerous woman ready to get into some trouble. Just kidding. But anyways, I definitely think this is a nice lipstick. It feels very comfortable on the lips considering it is a matte. It doesn't feel drying at all, and this shade is beautiful. Okay, let's do an overview of the Sephora favorites. You get 8 different products in here. It is $124 value. You get it for $45. There are 3 full-size items in here, guys. This is a lip conditioner, 2 full-size, the Patrick Ta and Fenty Beauty. And pretty much it just boils down to if you guys like the shades in the box, because a lot of them are very similar. I know that can be a deal breaker for some. For me, honestly, I wear a lot of reds during the holidays anyway, so I'm okay with it, and I enjoy trying different formulas as well. And I'm a huge fan of nudes. So for me, it's definitely worth it. It just comes down to if you guys are okay with having pretty much kind of the same shade range when it comes to the colors of the lipsticks. Also, if you are okay with trying different formulas, that is another reason why I do love the box, because you get to try different products that you normally wouldn't try. I definitely think this is a great gift idea as well for the holidays, for somebody who loves different kinds of lipsticks or makeup in general, so then they get to try different formulas as well. All of the items in here are very moisturizing, very hydrating on the lips. Everything was very comfortable. I did not have one item that was drying or uncomfortable. So I think that also in itself is definitely worth it. And then some of them have fragrances, some of them don't, so that can also be a deal breaker for someone. I would say like 2 to 3 of them had like a fragrance. It wasn't overpowering or anything like that, so it was okay. I would say for me, it's worth it. $45, 8 products, come on guys, I think that's a good deal. But like I said, if you guys don't like the same shade ranges, then this definitely isn't for you. So that is my conclusion. I definitely think the Sephora's Give Me More Lip is worth it. $124, $45 for you guys, and you get to try 8 different products. All right guys, I wanna know your opinions. If you think the Sephora favorites Give Me More Lip is worth it or not. And also let me know which shade was your favorite. And if you did enjoy this tutorial, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, let me know if you guys do enjoy this style of video, me reviewing things, if it's worth it or not for you guys. Please let me know and I will continue to do them. Also, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Yo. Intro time, intro time. That one sucked. All over the place today. I need to get my together. Everything up. Oh my god, I had something in my teeth. Of course I did. Let's do that again.